How to fix Govee lights not working. First, check the power. Make sure the Govee light's power adapter is firmly plugged in and that the outlet is working. If the lights are completely off, try plugging the adapter into another outlet. Step 2. Unplug the lights. Unplug the Govee lights from power and leave them disconnected for about 10 minutes. Then plug them back in and test them. Govee specifically recommends unplugging the light strip for 10 minutes as part of its troubleshooting procedure. Step 3. Reset the lights. For Govee light strips with a 3-button control box, Govee reset procedure is turn the lights on, hold the power button, then press the middle button 4 times. Then release the buttons. Step 4. Reconnect in the Govee Home app. Open the Govee Home app and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Then go to Govee Home, tap plus to add device, then select your Govee model. Follow the instructions to pair the lights. Govee recommends enabling Bluetooth and allowing the app's required permissions when troubleshooting Bluetooth pairing. Step 5. Check Wi-Fi. If the lights work through Bluetooth but won't connect to Wi-Fi, check your router. Govee says its Wi-Fi light strips use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so make sure your phone or device is connecting to the appropriate 2.4 GHz network during setup. Govee also recommends moving the lights closer to the router or restarting the router if the signal is weak. Step 6. If the lights still don't work, after checking the outlet, power adapter, and controller procedure, the problem may be with the power adapter, controller, or the light itself. At that point, contact Govee support rather than opening the power adapter or modifying the wiring. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.